Video title. Creating documents with headings in Google Docs. This video is specific to Google Docs. For more information on how to do this in Microsoft Word, take a look at the previous page.
Adding headings to documents in Google Docs is incredibly easy and very similar to Microsoft Word. I'll show you how to do this visually, and then we will go over how to do this with keyboard commands and the screen reader on. To demonstrate this, I have an inaccessible document pulled up. That's one without any headings marked. Let's first begin by marking the title of this document as a heading at level 1. Remember that there should only be one heading at level 1 in each document, and it's always the title. To mark the title of my document as a heading at level 1, I'll first place my cursor on the title. You do not have to select it, you just have to put that cursor anywhere on the title. Then, up in the toolbar, you'll click the Style drop-down. This will most likely say Normal Text, like mine does here. Then you'll hover over Heading 1, and then click Apply Heading 1. As you can see, once I click Heading 1, the formatting will change. If you'd like to keep the formatting of your title, instead of clicking Apply Heading 1, click the option that says Update Heading 1 to match. Let's learn how to do this as a screen reader user. Now that my screen reader is on, let's see how to mark a heading at level 1 with key commands. So the first step is the same. I need to place my cursor anywhere within the title. To do this, I'll just use my line-by-line reading command.
Nesting beaches. Funding boosts efforts to cut light pollution along Florida's sea turtles in trouble.
Once I've found the title, I know my cursor is placed correctly. Now I'll use the key command Ctrl+Alt+1 to mark that line as a heading at level 1. Remember, Ctrl and Alt are modifier keys, so I'll be holding them down while I press that 1 key.
Alt-Control-1. Heading 1 style applied.
So we have learned how to mark a heading at level 1. Now I bet you can guess how to mark a heading at level 2. The process is exactly the same. You'll place your cursor on the heading that you want to mark, and instead of clicking that Apply Heading 1 button, you'll hover over Heading 2 and click Apply Heading 2. With key commands, instead of Ctrl+Alt+1, you'd use Ctrl+Alt+, what do you think? Yeah, it's 2.
Alt-Control-2. Heading 2 style applied.
It's the same thing for headings 3, 4, and so on. Look at that, another pattern we've just stumbled upon.
Now remember, your document only has one heading at level 1. Why? Because there is only one title to your document. There are as many headings at level 2 as there are sections to your document. Now, if your document doesn't have sections or section titles, to make it more accessible for your learner, you can always make them.